Morning from the allotment. Now if I sound funny, my nose is blocked. Got the flu in the spring. So today I'm gonna plant some carrots. I just want to show you how I do it. I just prepare the soil. I dug some trenches. Then I pour some water in it, so the soil is quite moist. And then I'm just gonna sprinkle the seeds and a bit more water, and that's pretty much it. Carrots will be done for this year. We're gonna plant them in here. It's quite a big bed. Oh, we love carrots. Everybody loves carrots. So yes, that's it.